Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Walt Plays, and today we're going to be playing, making ourselves a fridge. I haven't made any tutorials, so we'll try to do this. Make this. Well, I know how to do it, but you guys need to know. So, boom, boom, boom. Okay, I need a sticky piston. Okay, so this is just, this is what I make, but you guys can make different fridges. This is what I like. My favorite. This is my favorite one because it's easy to make. All you need is to make. If you want to, I'll show you guys the easy part if you guys want it. Okay, so then let's just say you want chicken. Chicken. Okay, chicken. Everybody likes chicken. So we're gonna put this lever right here, I think. Yep. Hit that. What? 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 But you can't spam play it. Like this, it won't work. So you have to wait for it to. Okay, so I'll show you the easy way to do it too. Let's get this. Okay. Boom, boom. Just boom, boom. 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 This is the easy way to do it. Flip the lever. Wait. What is happening? Flip the lever. Oh. Okay. Well, just got disconnected. Bye guys. That was the end of our video.